There's enough in that airlock.
Coming out to check to make sure the airlocks are still full on the wines and the meads. We find that they're low after a few weeks, so we top them off with sanitizer. Moving on to the next grape wine, we find it needs some topping off also. Last but not least, the apricot mead is next.
It's important to keep your airlocks full, checking them from time to time, that they don't go dry. Looking good. Looking good. We'll be changing the sanitizer in a day or two, and then get on with some bottling shortly. To put my equipment away. A lot of times I forget. There are just some towels. No big deal. We're fairly organized in here anyway, so I'll pull out vehicles in here if I need to. So I just wanted to make sure the airlocks are full. Makes a big difference. We got some snow coming in again as soon as this weather changes.